Over here, you can see that I am inside of a channel in Teams right now. And if you have an Office document like a PowerPoint document or a Word document or an Excel file, then you can collaborate with those documents in real time as well inside of Teams. So to do that, you need to click on, let's say, for example, new conversation right here, and then you need to attach a file first right here. So it says we're setting up your files, checking back right here. So let me just go around and click. And over here, you can see that you can go around, browse Teams and channels to upload that files, or you can select one from your OneDrive right here, or upload from your computer. So I'm just going to click on upload from my computer right here and select out a Word document right here. So once you do that, you can see that this is the Word document right here, and you can go around and simply send it out. Let me just press enter, and the Word document is sent out to other person, as you can see right here. So now other people will be able to access this right here, and you can also see the Word document listed out under files right here, as you can see. So if you were to go around over here, then you can see that you get options for this particular document right here. So you can make this a tab right here, or like you can rename this, you can open this out, and you can see that there's various options right here, just like this. You can click around this file. That is, since this is an Office file, it directly opens up inside of the Word, inside of a Microsoft Teams, as you can see right here. And you can make the changes over here as well. So you can go around right here, and you can go around, add in like words right here. And this is within Microsoft Teams itself. And other members will also be able to access out the file at the same time. So let's say, for example, over here, like other people will be able to access the same file, and you'll be able to see that they are online right here. So here from my other account, you can see that I'm logging in, and they can make the changes, and you'll see their cursor right here, as you can see. And if they were to go around and make some changes, then you'll see those changes over there as well. So they're typing something, and you can see that this is what you have. So you can go around and collaborate with the file at the same time, as you can see, by using this. So that is how you can collaborate and edit Office files. And this does not just work for does not just work for Microsoft Word, but it works for PowerPoint documents and for Excel documents as well. And that is how you can collaborate and edit Office files directly inside of Microsoft Teams. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.